Hi friends, today I am with a new smartwatch and this is by FCUK and this is the series 2, which means generation 2, and in this video we are going to talk about the unboxing, all the features what this smartwatch is offering. So first of all, you will get a hello note introducing their new smartwatch, and talking about the box, this looks a pretty much different box what we usually see for the smartwatch boxes. And at the back here you can see it has a sports watch with coming with 1.69-inch display, and other than that it also tells you what are the box content. If we talk about the box content, first we are getting the straps. This is the for black strap and the black dial. There will be different colors, we will talk about that also. In the box we are also getting a charging case. Here you can see the charging case. It will use the USB to do the charging, and this is a user guide as well as also tell you that you need to install M2 software, and this is the warranty card. If you talk about the installation of the straps, it is very easy. It will take a little time and patience. I will definitely recommend you, once you have done install, just try and check it that it has been plugged properly or not, so that it doesn't fall or your watch doesn't get harmed. So it will take a little time, and definitely it is very easy to do that. You can do it in your home, and if you can't, just go to a shop watch and get it done. Now coming to the back, there is also a plastic film on the back of your sensor. I will definitely recommend you to pull that out to get the exact measurement. So just pull that out, it is very easy to do that. And coming to the display, it is 1.69-inch display. It looks pretty much premium while holding and definitely light in weight. It will be coming in 6 colors, where there is a green strap, green body, there is a blue strap, blue body, red strap, red body, and also black strap, black body, which we are having. There is a blue nylon strap and black body, pink nylon strap, and rose gold body. Once you take out the watch, do the full charge up to 100%. It will take 2 hours to do the full charging, and whenever you are charging, it will take nearly 2 hours. So be patient with that. Coming to the features, it comes with a lot of features. So starting with the features, it has a sports mode, phone dialing mode, contacts, heart rate monitor, blood pressure monitor, SpO2, and Bluetooth camera. You can control your camera remotely from your smartwatch. If we talk about the other features, it has a Bluetooth music. You can remotely control, find your phone, alarm, calendar. Also, voice assistant, sleep monitor, pedometer, including your calculator. You need to install M2 Wear on your iOS or your Android smartphone. It is very easy, just search M2 Wear. And the features I have already discussed, I will definitely recommend you to go and check the book user guide. This will be helpful to know your smartwatch much better. If you have any doubts, definitely put that in comment. We will try to answer them. Coming to the smartwatch, it looks pretty much elegant. It comes with the too many watch faces pre-installed, and you can change the watch faces according to your need, whatever you like. It also has IP67 rating for the water resistant, and also it is made of zinc alloy. It comes with the only one button to power off and power on. Just long press the button and it will do the work. So this is what we are getting in the physical aesthetic. If we talk how to do the charging, it is very easy. Just put it into the case and the charging animation will start, and you can see it will be charging. It will take 2 hours, so be patient with that. Now after charging, there is the app I already told you, M2 Wear. You can install that both on iOS and Android platform. It is very easy. Just install it and give the permissions to your location. Also do the phone calls, access your media, photos, whatever. It will also ask you to give the permission for notification access. So just go to the M2 Wear. Once you go inside that, give the access, turn it on, and once allow notification access is there, you will get all the notification on your smartwatch. And don't panic, it is very easy to do. Now coming to the interface of the app, it is very simple. It will show you the steps count, the kilometer what you have covered, the calories what you have burned, and it also has the record what you have done in the cycling, exercise, sports, total steps. Now the data will be also monitored in the second tab, and this third tab it will be on the motion, and there is a always on screen on option, so I'm just putting it always screen on. When you are doing in a sports mode or anything, you can just put into the always on screen mode. I haven't paired yet, so let's start pairing. So first add the device. There you can see FCUK watch. Just start pairing. It will take some time, be patient with that, and once it is done, you can see the device is getting connected. So here you can see the FCUK watch is there already paired. You can find the device. You can also see the notification access, the accessibility. Starting with the find my device, it will ask you few more permission. I will definitely recommend you to give all the permission access to that. Even your notification for the apps, you can see what are the notification you want to receive, what you don't want to receive on your watch. You can change them too. It comes with a complete loads of things, so I will try to cover each and everything in this video. Coming to here, you can see the Bluetooth setting raised to wake. I switched on. It is set up successfully. You can change the language also. There are multiple language present for the watch, and there is also remote photography, so you also have to give the access for that. And here you can see the app has already started on the watch. If I tap on the watch, you can see it will just take the pictures and click the pictures. So this is how you can remotely take the pictures using the remote photography. Now there is also sleep monitoring. You have whether to open and start the timing for the same. You can also reset it, and you can also varying in which way, in a left hand or a right hand. It will also have a automatic heart rate measurement. I will recommend you to switch that on also, and you can adjust the timing for the same. You also get a sedentary reminder, which means if you are sitting for a longer time, the smartwatch will give you the notification for the same. It comes with the Bluetooth 3.0. You can go and check the connection guide for the same. I will recommend you to connect with Bluetooth separately and use it properly. You can give your nickname. You have to give your height, weight. So just go and fill this detail. It will be much more useful for you. And I have tried few steps here. You can see once we done, there is a motion. If we are doing any exercise, walking, cycling, it will note that. Even the sleep tracking will be there. The heart rate, I haven't paired the watch for heart rate yet. Blood pressure, I will, and blood oxygen. So this all the things which we have seen right now in the tabs, we will go and check them out also. In the top, you are also getting motion, sleep, there is HR, there is BP. So this is what all you are getting in the reports in a combined format in the data. If you are doing the motion, walking, running, cycle, indoor, you just press the start button in your watch app, and you can easily access those things. Swipe from left to right, here you can see the few data, and if you swipe from bottom to up side, here you can see multiple styles. I will definitely go these things later on. You have the Bluetooth connectivity, you can switch off. You have a torch, you can switch it on or off. You can also silent your smartwatch by ringing. You can change your brightness, and also you have a remote music control, so you can directly control your music. You can increase your volume and also change that too. It will also tell the time. Here you can see as a notification, which is definitely a good thing. And you can change the watch faces just by swiping it. So just tap on the watch face and you can change it. Now this is a multi-style. It comes with the different kind of theme icon it has. I will go through that. You can change that to list done, and here now it is in the list format. So this kind of a theme what you get. Coming to this, what we are getting first, starting with the settings, you get the BT settings. You can put that visibility on, and you can also change the watch name. You can change the sound alert type, and also the volume, how much volume you need for multimedia ring. And there is also display, and the brightness can be changed, even the screen timeout, so that is also present. And you can change the screen timeout to maximum up to 60 seconds. After that, there is international also. You can go and select it to auto sync, and there's password. If you want a password on your smartwatch, I don't recommend it, but if you want, you can definitely go and switch on the password, change the password for the same. And there is also about. Now we have seen the settings. There is also dialer. You can dial directly to anyone if you have, and the call will be go through your smartwatch to your through your Android smartphone. But I might think that this will not work with the iOS platform. There is a audio player which you can play and make this smartwatch as your remote device. So this is in the audio player. There is also the Bluetooth. I already told you about the Bluetooth. Now there is a remote notification, calendar, calculator. The calculator thing is very sweet. I have tried and used it. I haven't seen any smartwatch which is offering the calculator. Now we are also getting the voice assistant. Once I press the voice assistant, if you are in the Android smartphone, it will start the Google Assistant. If you are in an iOS device, it will start Siri. You can also find my device. You can find your smartphone where it is. You can scan this and install your M2 Wear app. There is also wake gesture that I will recommend you to switch it on. Coming to multi-styles, baby's breath, I have already shown you. List side is also I am currently using. There is also 9 place and 4 place. So here you can see 9 app icons will be there, and right now I will show you there will be 4 icons. So this is how you can change it whatever you like, and what is your preference, it is up to you. Currently I will switch back to 9 place, and this is the 9 place will go, and you can also change it to different ways. So baby's breath, what I have shown earlier, maybe you guys have forgotten. Here is the baby's breath. This looks pretty much cool. You can access each and everything in one go, in one screen only. Also has a weather app which will fetch data from internet. Coming to the blood pressure, I will try to measure the blood pressure, and you guys can be a little calm and see how the blood pressure monitor comes with the result. It will take some time, so be patient. Coming to the smartwatch, the French Connection Series 2 smartwatch is going to be sale on Amazon in the Prime Day. So get ready for that, and you can purchase it. Price I will definitely tell you in the last section of the video. Now I have shown you the blood pressure monitor. There is the pedometer, and there is also sleep monitor. How much you have sleep, you can track that also. There is the heart rate. So for heart rate also, you just have to press the measure. You have to wait for some time to get the result for the same, and there is also auto heart rate tracker which will do the measurement in 1 hour or whatever you have the set the time limit for that. So currently you can see the BPM is currently coming around 94 to 95. This is, I will guess, I will take the reading as 98 BPM. Now there is also sports mode you can change. You have a static wallpaper, and you also get SpO2 monitor. So the SpO2 result what I got from this is around 96 or 97. So this is what we are getting in the SpO2. We are also getting the sedentary reminder. It will remind you if you are sitting for a longer time. You have a blood oxygen monitor. I have already shown you. Effect, you get the smooth cube, and also you can see the cube one, the smooth one, and also there is the last one which is a flip one. So this is the flip one. Whichever you like, you can go and prefer, but I really like the smooth one. There is also drinking reminder, how much water you have to intake. There are few games regarding this. There you can see this is one of the games. So overall you are getting a 3 games in this. For going out, you just have to press the power button for a longer time, and you will out of the game. So you can play games also in this smartwatch, which is definitely a cool thing, as you don't usually see the gaming on the smartwatch, and especially on the Android Wear. So you can play games on your smartwatch if you are getting bored. Now I have already shown you Galaxy Mars, and there is a breath. You can have the app for the same. There is swipe fruits, and also the flying bird. These are the 3 games what you're getting in your smartwatch. Last but not the least, it also has some of the watch faces. You just have to swipe, and whatever watch faces you like, you can definitely go with them. Now coming to the price of FCUK Series 2 smartwatch, it is priced for MRP 5999, but the Amazon Prime Day sale, it will be going for 3999. So definitely I will recommend you to grab it. So this is all about the FCUK Series 2 smartwatch. And if you have any comments or query, you can ask us in the comment section. This is Vivin signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.